Hey guys, it's me Adi back on Essential, and today I'm going to be shooting a simple little tutorial on how to make a Billy mask from Saw, and it's one of my favorite and coolest looking masks. So yeah, let's just get started. First up, let's fold this in half, and we'll be folding it vertically this time, unlike with the other masks, because it's like the ghost face mask. It's pretty long. So now let's draw out a head structure. There will be that iconic cheekbone. And then sort of like that. Alright, so that's that. Now I'll be dividing it to another part. That'll be one part, that'll be another, then this one's gonna be another one. Alright, so here's the rough sketch. I don't want you to copy this, I just want you to see what it will look like and actually now follow the steps after I finish cutting this thing. Alright, so I want you to cut it like this. So from you I want one of these pieces. This is going to be our forehead. Important. And then I also want another piece. Okay, so I want another one like this, but I want you to cut out the nose. And also the eyes. So this piece will be the one of the most complicated ones compared to that. Alright, so we've got two pieces like this, and we also need the butt chin looking thing. Right, so like that. Alright, so that will be it. Also one more piece for the nose. I think for the nose, should we just use this? I think let's trace out another nose. Let me quickly do that off camera. Alright, once you have these pieces ready, you can move on to the designing aspect of it. So for that you'll basically require some markers, more specifically red and black. Alright. That's not straight, is it? Well, it's alright. Two lines for the chin and the lower lip, and also the corners. Alright, and then maybe the nose shadow. Right, and then I think one right there. Like that. The cheekbone area should have been a bit lower around there. I messed up that part. Now let's do this thing as well. Like that. There's need for some cheekbones there. So let's make another cheekbone, and I'll quickly color that one as well. But before that, let's finish this lips. Red lips. Oops. That should be straight. Alright, let me quickly finish that up. Alright, so I've got everything ready now. So I'm simply going to do the folding and stuff. So the first fold is going to be right there, just like that. To give it a 3D structure. And then next up we will fold our this area and put just a tiny bit of tape in there. Similar manner for the other side. Right, so after that, let's add the nose. Actually, let's add the nose later on. Then we will add this chin, this big freaking chin. I actually don't know how I should go about doing this. Okay, first of all, let's fold the chin itself, make it more round at the bottom. That's a bit too long, so I fix that. So let's take 2 pieces of tape like that, and then okay, this is still a bit too long. I think that's better. So yeah, let's take out this thing and just stick it right there. Like that. And secure it in place by adding another piece at the bottom. Like that. Okay, then let's make the nose a bit smaller. Alright, let me quickly attach everything together. Alright, so I attached everything together except the eyes. So here's the eyes, and now I'm going to do the eyes. So this one's this eye. Alright. Right there. And then we've got this eye on this side, a bit lower, right there. Okay, so push these inwards, and there you have it, the Billy horror mask. Okay, so yeah, that's about it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you got some inspiration to do some paper crafts. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below, watch my next video, and share my videos. Thank you. Bye bye.